Hey guys, I'm showing you this curved store everyday earplugs plus case clip bundle, the perfect earplugs for sleep, travel, noise sensitivity or cancelling. So it's actually just the earplugs without any music or the speaker inside. So you can use them if you want just a noise cancellation thing, or just want to plug in and just sleep or travel. So a very soft silicone premium material, as you can see it here. Very soft and flexible material here. So this one is easily attach, or the earplugs you can also put in your bag. This is the storage case. This also comes with the additional sizes of the earplug, like that soft things. So this is a very nice case, the metal case, and you can see the additional different sizes here, the cushions here. You can also store different things like the pills or the coins in it, or you can store these earplugs in it. And these are flexible, easily managed, and then just close and take it with you. So this bundle set is actually a curved earplugs, aluminum case, and a case clip with two sizes of metal spring. So this is a very versatile earplugs, and you can of course change this earplugs cushions with the different sizes that fit your ear. So individually as a small, large, medium, and changing this is very straightforward. Just push it in or take it out. Then also fits well and comfortable on the ear. So this one comes with this silicone protection. It's a very comfortable fit in the ear and fits really well. I don't feel much like the pressure or the things, and from both sides, so very comfortable and a nice combo.